In a harsh industrial environment, NEMA 12 enclosures provide printer protection. Introducing the NEMA 12 IS663636 freestanding printer enclosure. Designed to accommodate a large commercial printer, the IS66 measures 66 inches high by 36 inches wide by 36 inches deep. The IS66 comes standard with 3 adjustable vented shelves for positioning the printer and other equipment. To easily access the printer's sides, sliding shelf brackets can be added to any of the shelves. The window on the front door measures 24.75 inches high by 27.75 inches wide. Tempered safety glass or polycarbonate window options are available. The printer enclosure's doors are key lockable for added protection. A hinge printer door can be added to the front or sides of the enclosure. The HPD features a gasketed Lexan polycarbonate window with an easy-to-grab handle and magnets to maintain a tight seal. A gasketed split panel is located below the rear door for dust-tight cable entry. For easy mobility around the manufacturing floor, the IS66 features industrial-grade casters that lock in the front and swivel in the rear. Bolt-down legs can also be added. Various thermal management options are available, including a filtered fan system, various air conditioners, a heat exchanger, or a Vortex cooling unit. Still have questions? Call 1-800-423-9911. Email info@itsenclosures.com. Or simply visit ITSEnclosures.com and click on the Products tab for our large variety of NEMA-rated printer enclosures.